Hello friends, this is Pankaj. Welcome to AEM tutorial. In this video, we will see how you can change the port number of a running AEM instance. Here you can see my AEM instance is running on port number 8080. You can see here I'm using the port number 8080. So let's change this port number to 8081. So to change the port number, you need to go to the Felix console. Open the Felix console, go to localhost 8080 system console. It will navigate you to the Felix console. Now go to the OSGI. Now click on configuration. Now in this console, search for Apache Felix Jetty based HTTP service. So this is our Apache Felix Jetty based HTTP service. Click on it. Here you can see in the HTTP port, we have port number 8080. So change this port number to, suppose I am changing it to 8081. Now click on save. As soon as you save the configuration, the AEM will stop running in this port 8080. Let me refresh this. After refreshing the page, you will find that our AEM instance has been stopped working on 8080 port number. So let's go to the port number 8081. You can see it is working now on port number 8081. So this way you can change the port number of your running AEM instance without stopping the AEM instance by changing the port number on the service Apache Felix Jetty based HTTP service. Thank you friends. If you enjoyed this video, subscribe my channel, like this video and share this with your friends. Thanks again for watching.